Search and download the Office Deployment Tool. Link also in the description below. Now search and go to the Office Configuration Tool portal to create an XML file. Click the drop-down menu and select the Office LTSC Professional Plus 2024 Volume License. Next, click the drop-down menu and select the version number under Latest. Expand Language, and select your preferred language. Click the Export button and select Keep Current Settings. Click OK. Accept the terms and click the Export button. Create a folder called Office 2024 on the C drive. Go to the Download folder and run the Office Deployment Tool. Click Accept, then Continue. Select the Office 2024 folder to extract the file. Copy the configuration file and paste into the Office 2024 folder. Now run the command prompt as administrator. Change the folder to Office 2024. Type setup.exe/download configuration.xml to download the Office package. This will take around 5 to 7 minutes. When it is done, the command will disappear. Now type setup.exe/configure configuration.xml to install Office 2024. This will take about 5 to 8 minutes. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Office 2024. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.